Approval delays on Shopify can be frustrating, but there are effective ways to address them. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Ensure you are receiving all email notifications from Shopify regarding approvals. Sometimes, the emails may land in your spam folder, so check there as well. Step 2. Review your account settings. Log into your Shopify account and review your account settings. Make sure all necessary information is complete and accurate, as missing details can cause delays in the approval process. Step 3. Contact Shopify support. If you are still experiencing delays, reach out to Shopify support. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue clearly to expedite the resolution. Step 4. Verify payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your app integrations. If you are using third-party apps, check if they are causing any conflicts or issues with your approval process. Disable any unnecessary apps temporarily to see if that resolves the delay. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Shopify and get back to running your business smoothly.